Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage founding executive Mark Wolford and Vice President of Philanthropy and Community Impact, Missy Larson.
Oh, it's you.
Wow.
It's true.
So you heard Edna. We better do this by the book. We better be correct. Otherwise, we're wasting everyone's time. Now, you heard Edna. She's always asking her nurses to show her their hands. Let's do something for Edna. Let's show her our healing hands.
Woo!
We want to say thank you to Edna for all that you do, making a difference and helping others to do the same. Your work and your example are so powerful. Now, Missy, how do we as a doTERRA family embrace this idea and show our hands, our healing hands?
You know, Mark, this is something we talk about all of the time. And how do we show our hands? William Shakespeare wrote, "Now join your hands, and with your hands, your heart." I know that when we ask that question, we're really asking how we show our hearts through our hands.
You know, that's one of the reasons that doTERRA Healing Hands exists in the first place, right? Missy, you're always telling me about all the incredible ways that our wellness advocates are showing their hearts through their hands. And it reminds me of a quote by Mr. Rogers. When I was a boy, he said, I would see scary things in the news, and my mother would say to me, look for the helpers. Look for the helpers. You'll always find people who are helping.
I love Mr. Rogers. Who here loves Mr. Rogers? Because his mother was talking about exactly the type of people that we find here at doTERRA, and the exact people that I want to change the world with. One by one, doTERRA wellness advocates had completed 417 match projects, totaling over $5.7 million. Way to go,
Wow.
you guys.
Thank you. Thank you to all of you who are helping to empower change. You know, doTERRA is always striving to provide different ways and opportunities for you to create real impact. And so what you and we have been able to do together is, frankly, it's remarkable. Thank you.
It is beyond remarkable. And we are so excited to introduce Regan Pleckenpole, who represents so many here today and online who are passionate about how doTERRA empowers others to be the helpers. She will share how we can lead our teams, our family, and our community through positive impact.
I don't love you.